So you have to take care of yourself. Frankly speaking, if you have not been exposed to your neighbor, so your exposure time is also important. So if you were with a neighbor without any mask, then you need to observe for your symptoms. Any symptoms like fever, body pain, loss of taste, loss of smell, new onset of cough, new onset of breathlessness, new onset of runny nose, new onset of loose motions after exposure within 4 to 5 days time, it has an incubation period from the entry of virus into your body to exhibit symptom is called as incubation period. So that varies from 5 days to anything. So if within that time period, if you exhibit these symptoms, you are more likely to be COVID positive. But without an exposure, it is not possible to get the infection just because he or she is your neighbor. So definitely all the care what is required, avoid getting into the neighbor's house. Obviously, you would not like to visit a COVID positive patient. So that's about it. And routine, rest of the things would be done rightly. So by the PMC, they would come and do the spraying. They would do the spraying at their house, and the neighbor would be on treatment so that the viral infection starts going down. After around 10 days, the infectivity goes down. So a neighbor has to be very careful. For around 14 days, he or she quarantines himself or herself. And after that, they're uh, okay to come out, and you're not going to get infected once they are better and their infectivity is gone.
Doctor, what is the difference between isolation and quarantine? Are they interchangeable? Like the terms, can we use them interchangeably?
Quarantine is you isolate yourself from others. So quarantine could be home quarantine could be a hospital quarantine. So quarantine is your keeping yourself away from everyone. You form a curtain in between you and the others in the form of a separate room or a separate wing in a hospital. You know, you use a separate toilet. You don't share the utensil. So, so that is a quarantine that is applicable moreover when you're diagnosed to be positive. And you can call it as a simple isolation till the time you diagnose yourself, you isolate yourself from others.